Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft launcher is currently not available in your account. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of four steps. The first step, you just need to go to search menu and type Minecraft launcher. You just need to right click on the Minecraft launcher and select app settings. You just need to scroll down and select the terminate option. After selecting it, you just need to scroll down under the reset. You just need to select the repair option and the reset option. After getting done, just to close stuff here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, click on open it. In here, you need to select the profile icon and select the sign out option and sign out your account guys. After signing out, you just need to sign back in. After doing this, just to close stuff here. The third step, you just need to right click on the date and time and select adjust date and time. You just need to select this option guys, set time automatically, turn it on and time zone, click on this drop down and select the correct time zone. Scroll down under additional settings, sync now, select the sync now option. After getting done, just to close stuff here. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just to close stuff here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution, you just need to go to search menu and type Minecraft launcher. Right click on the Minecraft launcher and select uninstall and select uninstall again. Now the Minecraft launcher has been uninstalled guys. Now you need to open the Microsoft Store. Now search for Minecraft launcher. Select the Minecraft launcher. Select the install option and install it. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.